Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create realistic images using DALL-E 3. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create realistic images using DALL-E 3, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open DALL-E 3. Once you open DALL-E 3, all you gotta do now is simply use highly detailed and specific prompts that include information on the subject, lighting, camera angle, and artistic style. By adding keyword for realism, specifying camera and lens details, and describing the lighting and shadows, you can guide DALL-E 3 to generate more lifelike images. So, all you gotta do is simply be specific and detailed, include subject, setting, and quantities to specify the numbers. You need to incorporate photographic elements in it, like camera details, angle and framing, and stuff, and refine your result. You need to tweak prompts, add imperfections, and experiment with keywords. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.